Maar die elements, als die mekaar die ja. We zit zo bang voor te lieven in Zuid-Afrika. Daarom raak ik zo das oor die kaarten hip-hop. Dat mensen denken, ik raak van mijn kop af. Maar een man kan zeker niet vandaag zijn case blijven. Als met de actie rip, wat die entertaining. Wat die entertaining.
Slowly bow down, tell me down. Kom me fatigot, I understand. Kom me fatigot, I understand. Kijk het zijn, dat is in mij. Je body is alleen zoals een holiday. Zo kijk hoe de step in naar mijn tijd. Mijn broers is al daar voor mij. Money is het ding, koud het wij zoals maak je wist. Extra maker, jouw creator. Go against me, bitch, you never stand a chance. I just in the game, now I know you it's the same. Calling on the pieces cause you're scaling for fame. Bitch, you feel the pressure, now you're looking want to blame. Fuck what the pizza, I will never have a stop. Go in the mud, yeah, I'm like before. It's a go, it's extra, you funny cool. Go. Bring the beat back, I'll go to them summer. Married to a money, make it look like a stunner. Good. I'm all about my family. Good. Counting my rhymes. You know I'm the flyest and the highest in the room. You wanna take a picture, put your camera on zoom. No one can stop me and you know why. I'm a real goat and it's do or die.
En Dino weer. Als je dat doet, dan zal ik ook doen. Ja, kijk maar hier. Dat is wat ik doe. Dat is kaka. Jouw tijd.
Okay guys, I'm Zachary May and today I'm here with Fatigot. Okay Fati, so tell me, is there any particular reason why you start the report?
Maybe for, I don't know, to show the youngsters, maybe to do something with their life, you see. I'm the same as like as an auntie, whatever, you know. So yeah, for the community, whatever, for the youngsters, like that's not the chance that they can do the dance and so. Yeah, so for example, ik weet wel eens wat ik hier zo te laat of te oud of te jong om te
And what impact do you see to have on youngsters or people that listen to your music?
I don't know. It's by them what impact they have. I understand. So I just put the music out there. I just rap series, I just put the series, so whatever impact anyone talk about music or whatever. That's it.
So if you had any advice you want to give someone trying to start music, what would it be?
Come again?
If you had any advice you want to give someone to start in music, what would it be?
Start now. Start now. Don't start when I started. I started when I'm, you know, my age. Not in my age. Ik heb geen 18. Yeah. But anyways, yeah. Begin nou van jullie heeft al lief nou. Jullie nou. But yeah, keep it good. Keep it going.
I always keep the most important question. Why Fati the goat?
But because I am the greatest of all time. Because I always got money on my mind. You know. It's so man. The real is staan ze misschien fake. Konnie fake. Tell me whatever. But jullie zien is wat ik wil.
Yeah. And Fati, before we end of this interview, is there any way that people can listen to your music or anywhere they can get you on?
Yeah, you can go to Spotify, YouTube, whatever, and next week I'm dropping 2 tracks, yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, Fati. I really enjoyed this interview.
Thank you. So you keep it going.